Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Liam here from HandyLab, ready to embark on another epic crafting adventure. Today, I've got my hands on some gorgeous African wood, and we're turning it into a killer table. Let's dive in. First things first, we gotta glue these bad boys together to form a sturdy bundle. It's like putting together a DIY puzzle, but with more wood and less frustration. Once that's done, it's time to let it dry. Patience is a virtue, my friends. Now, on to the fun part, busting out the table saw and getting creative with the design. I like to think of it as woodworking with a dash of artistic flair. Who said power tools can't be used for crafting masterpieces? Out with the old, in with the new. We trim off the excess pieces like a barber giving a fresh fade. Waste not, want not, right? Repeat after me. Glue, clamp, repeat. We're all about precision here, folks. Can't have a wonky table now, can we? Smooth as butter, baby. Sanding down those rough edges until we've got a surface smoother than a baby's bottom. Okay, maybe that's a weird comparison, but you get the idea. Time to piece it all together like a woodworking wizard. This table is starting to take shape, and boy, is it looking good. Polish, polish, polish. We give this beauty a shiny coat to make it sparkle like a diamond. Who says DIY can't be glamorous? And there you have it, folks. One stunning masterpiece crafted from scratch. If you enjoyed this woodworking journey as much as I did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY goodness. Until next time, keep crafting and stay handy.